Hey everyone, it's Clay from How To Apps, and right now I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Nintendo Switch. It's pretty easy to do, although the settings that you need to navigate through are a little bit buried, and I can understand that since you're basically mind wiping your console from all the memories that you've shared with it over the years. But I understand that if you're trying to sell it or trade it into a store, that you want it to be in its original state for the next owner that's going to start playing with it. So let me show you how to do it. First place you need to go to is the system settings. This row of icons towards the right will be this gear. Press A. And then in this list, scroll all the way down to the very bottom and click on System. And then once again, scroll all the way to the bottom of this list and press Formatting Options. And then once again, scroll all the way to the bottom, see what I mean by buried, and you'll see this final option that says Initialize Console. And even though it's not worded as factory reset or format it to the original factory state, it is, as you can see in the description, still deleting all data in the system memory. So this is what you should see on your most recent update of the system. And so really this is it. You just press A on this and it gives you a good list of notes on what's going to happen. Everything on the system will be deleted. That includes, games, save data, screenshots, videos, user information, all that stuff will be gone. Nintendo accounts will still be existing. They will just have to be linked to another user or to another console if you decide to get another one, but they will not be destroyed. They will not be gone. Now, as it says here, if you're having trouble with your console and you're just trying to reset it to try and fix that, but you don't want all your save data gone, you still want to be able to use the console, there is another way to do this, and it is listed out the steps in this Initialize Console setting. So all you need to do is just go to Initialize Console in the system settings, and then you can read through these, and they're pretty easy steps. But if you're just trying to just completely reset and delete all your data on your system, then all you need to do at this point is hit next. Now, as it says here, you will need to be connected to the internet to unlink any Nintendo accounts on the console. If you don't have an account, then this shouldn't be required. And here you go. This is the final step once it's connected to the internet. You'll get one final chance to say cancel or have this be the final nail in the coffin for your console, as it were, and hit initialize. And that's basically it. And this process will take, I've heard, about 5 or so minutes. That's what Nintendo has generally said how long it takes for this to run its course. But anyways, I'm going to hit cancel, but you will probably hit initialize, and that's how you factory reset your Nintendo Switch. This video helped you out, please leave a like and a comment below and subscribe to see more tutorials like this. See you later.